Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up your personal hotspot in your iPhone. So let's begin our video. So first of all, you just need to turn on your mobile data and then you just need to open your phone settings. After open your phone settings, you can find personal hotspot. Just open it. So after open, you just need to enable this option, allow others to join. Just enable this option. Right now, go on second option, password. So you just need to select or set simple password. Like I just select 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and then select done. That's it. Right now, if any other person just open their Wi-Fi, they can find your hotspot and they can easily connect with this password. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.